Ukraine has avenged the U.S. drone. Russian Su-24 is down near Bachmut. And this is the meeting with the Russian President Putin with his counterpart from Syria, Assad. The video is only interesting because of Putin's body language and because of the squeak of his shoes when he walks.
Уважаемый господин президент, очень рад вас видеть в Москве.
And it's comedy hour. Women's G-strings have been found among the personal bag of a Russian soldier.
Часто обсирається, блядь. Він з собою носить
Запасні, блядь, труси, нахуй, ёб твою мать. Ебать, колотить, ты шо, блядь, черт ёбаний.
чорні напутні.
Ну хоть розтягни, давай хоть се подивим, блядь. Ёбана в рот.
Блядь, на пиздіще, блядь.
Та ні, то він сам походу носив, диви, блядь.
Розтягнув, блядь.
Йобана в рот,
реально,
диви,
блядь.
нахуй, сука, які вони кончі.
School kids in temporarily occupied Crimea train to assemble and disassemble rifles. Reportedly, military training is now becoming one of the components of school education there. As Russian President Putin says, the whole world envies them. Huh.
Оружие сложить. Поклон. Раз. Два. Три. Четыре. Пять. Шесть. Семь. Восемь. Девять. 10. Оружие взять. Поклон. Раз. Два. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.